with another amazing strategy. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at how we can scalp in volatility indices. So it's a scalping strategy, and we're going to be focusing on volatility indices. So without wasting much of your time, let's look at the settings. I've noticed that with Android, I'm not sure about iPhones, that the settings of what the MT5 Android version is changed. The chart is changed. There's some slight changes. So we're gonna go to that icon. We have to go to this icon for us to look at the settings. So when we go to that icon, so these are the settings. So first of all, let's also look at how we can. Let me remove all the indicators that are there so that we can insert these indicators. So you're gonna go here and you're gonna click. You go on this F icon and you're gonna click. When you go there, we're gonna start with the indicators that we're gonna insert on the main chart. So we're gonna start with the first one, which is the moving average. We have a moving average of with a period of 200, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close with a style. It can be a style of your own choice, but I'm gonna use red. Then when I'm done, I'll click done. Then I'll go again to that F icon, and I'm going to go on the Bollinger Band. So I'll go on trend indicators, and we have the Bollinger Band, and we're gonna use the default settings. So the period is 20, deviation 2.00, shift 0, apply to close, style 2, and the color is green. Then when you're done, you click done. So we now have two indicators on the main chart. Then we're going to add the last one, and we're going to go again on that F icon. We click it. Then we're going to go under oscillators. Under oscillators, we're interested in the RSI, the relative strength index, and the period is going to be 14, apply to close. The style is going to be 2 with the color blue. So when you're done, you click done. But what is important is the levels. If you go on the levels, we only want to the default settings will be like this, but you're going to change this, and we only want 50, and the style is gonna be like this. So when you're done, you're gonna click done. So these are the settings that we have. On the main chart, we have the moving average and the Bollinger Band, and on indicator window 1 we have the relative strength index. Then we're gonna go back. In the time frame that we're gonna be using is the is M5. It's M5. I've been trying this strategy on M5. So we just want to be in the market for a very short period of time, get our profit, then we move out of the market. So before I explain how we're gonna be using this strategy, if you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Subscribing to my channel is free. It's just a token of appreciation when you like and subscribe to our videos, because this helps me, one, to keep going and to continue producing more content. So thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this video. So let's talk about how this strategy works. So like what I said, it's a scalping strategy. So on this channel, what are the services that we offer? We have our indicators, the spike detector, DC spike detectors. It's doing wonders. So if you are interested in catching spikes in booming crash market, you can also get this indicator, the DC spike detector. So we have the spike detectors we have for all indices, for all booming crash indices. The spike detector is for all indices, and it's doing great. Recently I was able to grow a $5 account to $100 using these indicators. I will show you the video where I was doing this. Then we also have our signal group, where we share we'll be sharing Deriv synthetic indices. We'll be sharing VIP group, where we'll be sharing Deriv signals. We'll be sharing signals in this group. So this is our VIP group. So You're also free to join our VIP group. You can also use the link that is there in the description to be part of this amazing group where we'll be sharing signals. We share at least 10 signals per day, and a lot of people, there are good testimonies that are coming from this group. Then we also have our free WhatsApp group where I normally also share what signals, and this is the DC spike detector that I was talking about. Then I also share some free EAs. I also share signals, and I also share some analysis. You can see these are some of the items that I share on this channel. Then we also have our Telegram group. So this is my Telegram group. I also share some signals, and I also share some PDF and some EAs, some free EAs and some free indicators. So you are also free to join these groups. Then it has come to my attention that there are some people, if you go on Telegram and if you search for my name, David Chokmanyara, this is the information that is coming out. This is the information that is coming out. If you go on this group, this is not me. Let me switch on my data. If you go in these groups, this is not me. These people are claiming to be DC, but they are not me. I do not offer account services, account management services. So these people are claiming to be DC, and they are scamming people using my profile picture and my name. These are not my group. My group is this one. This is my official page, my official Telegram group. This one, Free Boom and Crash. This is my group. Free Boom and Crash, EA and Trading Indicators. This is my group. So there are so many people who are, if you go on Telegram, who are claiming to be DC. That's not me. And I was actually astonished that these groups have a lot of members. I remember the other group actually had 2,000 people. So please, this is not me. I do not offer. If you join our Telegram groups, I do not inbox anyone for account services managers. There are a lot of people who have been scammed, and the bad part is this: these people are using my profile picture and they are using my name to tarnish my image. So please be on alert. DC do not offer any account management services. What we only offer are VIP signals, and we sell EAs for boom and crash, and also for volatility and indicators. And we also have mentorship programs which you can actually join if you want to learn how to trade. If you want to learn how to trade indices or trading in general, we also offer those services. So let's quickly look at how this strategy works. So we are done with the part where we explain the settings, how the strategy works. So basically, what you'll be looking for: one, what are the conditions for buy? Let's first of all talk about buy. So for buy, we have a trend filter. Our trend filter is the moving average, which is the red line that you see there. So price has to be above this red line. So that's the first condition. Price is above the red line. So when price is above the red line, we are only looking for what? For opportunities where we can buy. We only buy when price is above the red line. The second condition is that we also have to now wait. There are two things that we're going to be looking at. We wait for a candle like this candle. It has to cross above the middle Bollinger Band, this one, and it has to close above that line, the middle Bollinger Band. A candle crosses and it closes above the middle Bollinger Band. And again, if you look on the indicator window 1, the RSI has to cross level 50. So these are the conditions for a buy. Once that is satisfied, we then have to take our buy. Then when are we going to exit? We are going to exit. We have two options. So for us to close our trade, one, we can target the previous swing high, it swing low. So my profit target was on this level. This was my target. So where am I going to place my stop loss? The candle that closed, this is our candle, this is the candle, this is the candle, this candle. So I'm going to place my stop loss below that candle and below the what? The mid Bollinger Band. So this is where I'm going to place my stop loss. As simple as that. So my stop loss, let me just go back. My target will be here, and my stop loss is going to be below the candle that was able to break above the mid Bollinger Band, and this is I'll place my stop loss below that, and my target is going to be here. So you can see, look at the reward to the risk to reward ratio. It's a very approximately 2:1 or 2:1.5, which is very good when you're trading. So basically, this is how you buy. So let's look at a sell condition. What are the selling conditions? So like what I said, the price is to be below the red line. So whenever we are below the red line, like let's look for another example. Like here, we have a perfect example. So we can see that we have a candle. We have a candle here. This is the candle that is breaking, and it closed below the what? The moving average. We have this one, small one, that you see here. Price 1 is below the 200 exponential moving average, and we have a candle that is crossing the middle Bollinger Band. This one, the middle line, this middle line, price is closing below that middle line, and we then have to check here. We then have to check on the RSI. We wait for the RSI to go below the what? To go below level 50. When RSI goes below level 50, we then take our sell. Basically, that's it. So our targets, let's talk about the stop loss and the take profit. So for our target, it was this level, and our stop loss, we're going to place it above the lower part, the low of the what? The candle that broke the middle Bollinger Band, which was here, and we're going to take our trade here. You see, look at the risk to reward ratio. This is our profit. So this strategy works. It works perfectly. It works perfectly. So basically, this is how this strategy works. But in my next video, I'm going to be showing you a secret of how you can actually use this strategy for swing trading. So basically, this is how this strategy works. So thank you guys for your time. Please make sure you subscribe, you like, and you share this video. This really means a lot to me. If I'm getting more views and my channel is growing, I would like to thank you guys for your continued support. This channel is growing. We are close. We are now reaching. We've passed 4,000 subscribers. So my target for this month is to reach at least 10,000. Please help me to grow this channel, and I promise you that each and every week I'll be posting at least 2 videos, 2 strategies on each and every week. So if you subscribe, you hit the notification bell, and you like, this will really help me to get this target. So when you like these videos, okay, so I just want to show you guys how this strategy works. I took a trade, and I'm gonna leave you guys watching how this strategy works. So I took a trade in volatility 25. As I said, this strategy works in volatility market, and also cryptocurrency, forex. This strategy can actually work. So I want to leave you guys watching this video.